Welcome to Khatta Meeta Stories. My name is Vandana and we are going to make Chikodi Green Chicken. This recipe originates from Chikodi, a small town of Belgaum district in Karnataka, and it has a history of 60 years. So let's get started. For chicken marination, make a paste with handful of coriander leaves, ginger, few garlic cloves, turmeric powder and curd. Keep it aside for half an hour. Fry green chilies in a pan till the color slightly changes. Add this to coriander leaves, ginger and garlic to make a paste. Roast sesame seeds, cumin seeds, poppy seeds, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and nutmeg flower. If you really enjoy the video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Add all this to roasted coconut and make powder. Saute onions till it becomes brown. Add tomatoes to it and fry till tomatoes becomes soft. Add marinated chicken and cook for 5 minutes. Add roasted powder, green paste, garam masala, kanda lasun masala and mix well. Cover for another 10 minutes till the chicken becomes tender and spices are well mixed in the gravy. Add salt to taste. Hope you will relish this green and tasty chicken.